You think you already know your Ford? Most people would say yes, and they'd be wrong. Because there are features that change how it drives, parks, uses power tools, and even remembers you. These are the built-in advantages, and once you see them, you'll realize they're the kind of Ford features you regret not knowing sooner. Number 7, driver profile memory. Kicking off with one of those daily problems you probably face. 2 people, 1 Ford, and the seat is always wrong. Every time you switch drivers, something needs fixing. That issue is already solved, because your Ford has a feature called driver profile memory, and it quietly fixes this whole mess for you. So which Ford models actually fix this automatically? Where is the setting hidden? How many drivers can you save? This works on F-150 Lariat and higher trims, and on Escape Titanium models equipped with memory seats. On the driver screen, open vehicle, then driver profiles, save your current position, and link it to Fob 1 or Fob 2. That's it. From that moment on, the truck recognizes you the second you unlock it. Within seconds, the seat slides, the mirrors adjust, and even the driveway tilt activates automatically. And about more drivers, you can literally store 3 profiles in total, like driver 1, driver 2, and guest, and switch between them anytime, even after the truck is already running. On higher trims like King Ranch and Platinum, the adjustable pedals memorize their position too. And the steering wheel also remembers you. Your entire cockpit reprograms itself in seconds. Number 6, active grille shutters. When you're cruising on the highway, everything feels perfect, but somehow your MPG is down. This happens constantly on trucks like the F1 52.7-liter EcoBoost and SUVs like the Explorer 3.5-liter. And the problem? Well, it's hiding right inside the bumper. Ford built a silent efficiency system into these vehicles called active grille shutters. At highway speed, they close to slice through air and boost MPG. In traffic, they open to cool the engine. But when it gets stuck, you lose free efficiency with 0 warning lights. And before you ask how you can check and reset them yourself without paying the dealer, let me tell you, this system appears on many Ford trucks and SUVs from around 2015, depending on engine and trim. And to check it, drive about 65 miles per hour and scan live OBD data if you have a reader for grille shutter status. It should be closed. When idling, it should switch to open. Also, clear dirt and broken clips behind the grille. Then disconnect the battery for about 10 minutes to reset the system if needed. You can also control it through the Forscan app inside the BCM module. The real cost is basically nothing, and now you finally know why your MPG was quietly disappearing. Number 5, HomeLink Garage Door Opener. Every truck has that one feature you probably ignore that could completely change your daily routine. This thing is called HomeLink. It can control garage doors, gates, even driveway lights, all with one setup without breaking a sweat. But how do you program it correctly? Which button goes where? And how do rolling code doors respond? HomeLink is standard on models with the 3-button overhead console. All you have to do is start by holding your garage remote near HomeLink button 1 and press both for 2 seconds until the LED flashes. Then sit in the truck and press that button for a few seconds. When the flashing changes, the door should move. There's just one small thing you should know. Always listen for the programming complete chime. If you don't hear it, reset the garage opener and try again. For newer rolling code doors, repeat the steps near the windshield or press the Learn button on your garage motor before finishing setup. Buttons 2 and 3 can store gates, RV hookups, or even porch lights, giving you total control. Once it's all done, your truck opens every door you need. Number 4, deep hidden menus plus Forscan. Some of the most powerful upgrades your Ford will ever get are already installed inside the truck, just locked behind menus. The annoying auto lock, aggressive double honk, mirrors that refuse to fold, and the remote start that shuts off too fast, all of it can be changed. And it starts with a simple steering wheel sequence. However, which buttons activate it, what changes are actually safe, and how deep does Forscan really let you go without risking the truck? This works differently by model. On many F-150 trucks from around 2021, hold the OK button on the cluster while scrolling up and down for 10 seconds. On other models, open settings, go to About, and hold for 15 seconds. That's how the hidden menu appears. Inside, you can often extend remote start timing, disable the double honk, enable mirror auto fold unlock, change unlock behavior to open all doors at once, and stretch perimeter lighting from 60 seconds to 2 minutes. Now time for the power move. Forscan. With a laptop and a $25 OBD adapter, you unlock trailer brake controls, ambient lighting colors, camera behavior, and dozens of lock modules. Always back up the config first. Almost everything is reversible. In the end, it won't cost you hundreds of dollars just for custom programming. Number 3, F1 5360-degree camera system. Even if it's a tight driveway, narrow alley, kids on bikes, trash cans in the blind spot, or a trailer that never lines up on the first try, the regular rear view camera flattens everything and lies about distance. The F-150's hidden 360-degree camera changes that completely. 4 cameras combine into one live bird's-eye view that shows everything around the truck at once. However, where do you turn it on, which views actually matter, and how do you keep it clear when mud ruins the picture? This setup appears on F-150 Super Crew models with higher trims, including Lariat, King Ranch, and Platinum. For this, shift into reverse and tap the camera icon on the dash, or press the trailer tow button on the center console. From there, you unlock several views like full 360 top-down passenger side spotter, wide rear with dynamic grid, and trailer alignment mode. But wait, it's not over yet, because the real magic happens in trailer mode, where the truck projects guidance lines that match your hitch angle so the trailer tongue slides into place without guessing. After dirty roads, shift into reverse and press the washer control. If you use it, tight spaces stop feeling tight. Number 2, Pro Power Onboard. Most truck owners think those bed outlets are for charging a phone. They're wrong. The F-150 carries a real generator everywhere it goes. The Pro Power Onboard delivers up to 7.2 kilowatts of clean electricity straight from the truck. But understanding which trims unlock the big power and how long it really runs isn't always obvious at first. So here's the truth. The XLT power provides 2 kilowatts, Lariat delivers 2.4, and the Platinum Power Boost Hybrid unlocks the full 7.2 kilowatts. In the bed, you get 4 standard 120-volt outlets, and the 7.2 system adds 1 or 2 240-volt plugs. At a tailgate, you can run a microwave, coffee maker, fridge, lights, and TV together without stress. On a job site, a plasma cutter pulls 4.8 kilowatts and works at 90% duty cycle. With light loads, the hybrid system can run for up to 3 full days, while gas models deliver about 8 hours at 2 kilowatts per tank. The control switch lives in the bed, making it easier to set it to auto, and the engine manages itself. The power is pure sine wave, so laptops and televisions stay protected. Number 1, Advanced Track Sport Mode. Every truck owner has felt that moment. The rear steps out on gravel, the engine cuts power mid-slide, the climb dies halfway up the hill, making the truck feel smaller than it should. These trucks are built for more than that. There is a driving mode inside your truck that completely changes how it behaves when traction disappears. What if one simple change in how the truck thinks could let you carry momentum instead of fighting the brakes, letting the engine cut power, or disabling traction control completely? It's easier than it sounds. In many older and newer Fords, tapping the tow/haul button twice quickly switches the system into Advanced Track Sport Mode. The dashboard confirms it, the throttle sharpens, and the truck stops cutting power when traction gets loose. Instead of fighting you, the system relaxes its grip. Throttle intervention drops, light slides become possible, and ABS stays active as a safety net. After a short period of normal driving, the system can quietly return to its default setting. This mode shines on snowy driveways, loose gravel, beach access, and light off-road trails. It stays street legal and feels far more natural than turning traction control completely off. So now I'm curious, which feature surprised you the most? And which one are you turning on first? If this helped, hit subscribe and share it with another Ford owner. And when you're done, check out the story on how simple habits kept a Ford running for hundreds of thousands of miles. Your truck might thank you.